Good day everyone. I'm Babantoni Jimabini, 23 years old from Katbalogan, City Samar, from B Smart Alpha. So today I'm going to talk about one of the most debated topics in philosophy, the question of whether morality is absolute or relative. It's a fascinating topic because it really makes us think about how we decide what's right and what's wrong. So let's start by understanding the two sides. First, there's a relativism. This is the idea that morality depends on culture, society, or even personal beliefs. In other words, what's considered right in one culture and might be considered wrong in another, and both could be valid from their own perspectives. For example, think about traditions or customs around the world. In some countries, showing respect to elders might mean bowing or keeping your distance, while in others, it's shown through hugs or direct contact. So neither is wrong, they're just different expressions of the same moral value, respect. So that's what moral relativism tries to highlight, that moral judgment can depend on the context of the society we're in. So now, on the other side, we have moral absolutism. So this view says that there are universal moral principles that apply to everyone, everywhere at all times, regardless of culture or personal opinion. For example, most people would agree that murder, stealing, or lying for selfish reasons are wrong, no matter where you are in the world. These are seen as universal moral truths that don't change just because society's opinions do. Moral absolutists argue with this without universal standards, morality would become chaotic. Because if everything depends on personal or cultural beliefs, then we could justify almost anything. Even harmful actions, say saying, well, it's right for us. So absolutism gives a solid moral foundation that helps guide human behavior consistently. So but here's the thing, both sides actually make sense in their own ways, and personally, I believe that morality is a combination of both absolute and relative elements. There are certain moral values that I think are truly universal, things like compassion, honesty, fairness, and respect in life. These values seems to exist across all cultures even if they're expressed differently. But for instance, almost every culture has some version of the golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated. That's a moral principle that feels absolute. It resonates with our shared humanity. However, how we apply these moral values can depend on our culture and experiences. For example, what it means to be respectful or honest can look very different depending on where you live, what religion you follow, or what social norms you were raised with. So while the core values might be universal, their expressions of these values are relative. I think what's important is finding balance. If we go too far into moral relativism, there are risks saying that anything goes even if uh, causes harm. Because if we go too far into moral absolutism, we might become rigid and ignore the diversity of the human experience. So instead, we can recognize that there are fundamental moral truths that guide us while also being open to understanding and respecting different cultural perspectives. So, in the end, morality isn't just about following strict rules. It's about empathy, understanding, and striving to do what's right in every situation. Whether you believe morality is absolute, relative, or somewhere in between, what truly matters is that our actions contribute to a more compassionate and just world. So, that would be all, and thank you.